Google just lost users for the first time in its history, and if you're running a law firm, this matters more than you think, and here's why. I've spent the last week reading the UK Ofcom national report, and for the most part, it's about as exciting as an Arrowroot biscuit, except for a few things. One of which is Google's market share dropped from 86% to 83% in 2024. And yes, I know that that's only 3%, but in numbers, it's 1.8 million users, and it's the first time in Google's history it's ever happened. The report shows something fascinating. People aren't just leaving Google, they're fundamentally changing how they search for information. And this has huge implications for your law firm's marketing strategy. A few other things you can glean from the report. First, AI is eating traditional search. ChatGPT saw 10 times its growth in just 9 months. Now that's the fastest adoption of any tech platform, including Facebook or Meta, ever. Your potential clients aren't just Googling legal questions anymore, they're asking AI tools. And if your content isn't optimized for this, you're basically invisible to them. Second, video is no longer optional. The data shows younger people are skipping text entirely. They want explanations in video format. And no, you don't need Hollywood production values, you just need consistency and authenticity. Third, and this might surprise you, TikTok is becoming a search engine. Younger audiences are bypassing Google completely and going straight to platforms like TikTok for information, including legal information. Here's what this means for your law firm. Your SEO only strategy is dying, your content needs to work for both humans and AI, and you need to be where your future clients are looking. And something else I'll address in another video, which we're seeing play out with US law firms, and I'll talk to that next week. But here's the good news. Most law firms are slow to adapt. Some are still debating whether or not they actually need to invest in digital at all. And it's 2024 and they're basically still living in 1995. But for now, just know that your competitors' willful ignorance is your strategic advantage. But make sure you prioritize this sooner rather than later.